Ebrahim Bin Najam. Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture we discussed the different perspectives, and in this lecture we will study some more about the interactionist perspective. The interactionist sociologists focus on the micro-scale view of society. They put emphasis on the symbols and the forms of actions, events and tangible objects that mean a certain something to everybody. There are certain aspects that are important in the interactionism perspective. 1. Values. A value is a belief that something is good or valuable. It defines what is important, worthwhile, and worth striving for. 2. Norms. The word norm may cover many types of rules, including customs, conventions, social etiquette, morals, and laws. 3. Roles. Roles can be defined as a set of normative expectations. This especially is very important, as it is these roles that allow social cohesion to be built and that allow for social order to be established. 4. Status. The term status refers to the level of social honor or prestige given to someone by others, either as a result of the formal role they are playing in their social position, or for the individual skills and talents they display. All these concepts are intangible and are the means by which individuals look at each other and attach importance to others.